Are you ready for start time?
Okay, so I got a lot of gear that I need to bring in. Okay, so today is the first day in my new office as a self-employed person. I'm gonna spend most of the day just figuring out where I should put all my stuff, because I've been having this studio for a couple of weeks now, but I haven't really had any time to be here because I've been traveling. I went to India. The vlogs from India, it's up here, maybe here, I don't know, or maybe in the description, who knows. I'm just gonna start to making this a little bit of homey. So these are all the items that I used to have in my old office. So I need to unpack these and starting to get myself organized. I was thinking of maybe putting a shelf up here. I'm not sure though, so I'll have to figure that out. And I need to hang the rest of the posters. That needs to be done. So I used to collect these limited edition live event t-shirts before, but I since then moved over to something more easier to keep around, which is challenge coins. I'm a huge fan of these, primarily because it's a cool design that usually goes into every one of them. Hey, that's B-sides press pass. So if you're ever thinking about doing a live event and you have a challenge coin there, I'm definitely gonna take it. Oops, Uber flask. Ah, yeah, the Paranoid Party. I remember that one. DEF CON this year, pretty epic. So this one's empty. Perfect. One down. Here's a money that I bought a while back. It's the DIY paint yourself one. I never got to paint it. I'm just keeping that one because I like it. Here's the Oath backpack we got way back. Oh, I got some lights in here. Oh, what we got here? Hack-A-One caps. These go on the shelf. Cool. What else do we got? Okay. Rubik's Cubes. Oh yeah, this is a limited edition hand dunny that I'm very, very happy to have. There you go. Paranoids likes to give out bags. Here's another one. Oh yes, the Bug Crowd box that we got in San Francisco. There were some really cool glasses in there. Keeping that one. Sheepo glasses, of course. Memories. These are from traveling business class with KLIM with Smeagol's. We are officially upgrade team. Sunglasses. Got a bunch of those. Got a real bunch of those. Stickers. I love stickers. And everywhere I go, if there's a sticker I like, I'm gonna take one of them, maybe two sometimes. I put them on my computer, my phone, my everything. I put stickers everywhere. I just love stickers. False positives suck. Amazing. Okay, we got some more monies. I don't have a DVD player anymore, but Schwarzenegger's a Running Man. I really liked that when it came out. It's, I bought this at a flea market, and it's been going with me ever since. My vintage Game Boy. It's in here. No games though. Oh yeah, I got Tetris. That's a classic one. And of course wrestling. Yeah, I've been having this for a while. And I just can't let it go. I'm keeping it. Okay, been to a few conferences, keeping these ones because I like it. And there's always a good thing to remember when you've been to certain conferences. Like, yeah, this is Security Fest, like that one. This is my sneaky one from BountyCon last year. Press pass for DEF CON. Amazing. Oh yeah, here we go. Happy times. Oh yeah. Okay, time to clean up, I guess. And start organizing. So I need to get organized. And so I'm just gonna put on my favorite podcast, Darknet Diaries, and start sorting my shit. And since I run a fashion store, I have a lot of these items lying around. So I think I'm just gonna mount all the t-shirts to the wall. These two coming with me. And I think I'm gonna put these over here. Perfect. I need to do it all over. So I need to move these lights, but I'm just a tad bit too short for it to shine down on this one. Good thing I got a hairstylist chair. Here we go. Sweet. So this is lit. That is lit. Swag wall. Good times. So I actually managed to hang all the paintings and get the t-shirts up and get all these posters up as well. And then I got super inspired by Josh over at Make Art Now. The way he had put his studio lights upside down in the roof to make more space. And I just copied that idea straight off the bat. So if you want to see that episode, it's probably up here. And I'm really liking the way all of this is just coming together now.